Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Motorola Edge 30. Now to the separation, slide up and scroll down and search for the settings here, and now scroll down and search the system here. There you have a language and input. Click on it and there is language at the up here. As you see, from this case you can add language which you want to get it, and if you want to change, just drag it and drop on the app on the first, and as you see we have a new language of our phone. If you want to change some other language, just drag and drop on the app, and if you go back to our English, just drag and drop on the app and there is English one more time. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.